Hi everybody, I wanted to show you something on these pulsa jet carburetors, the ones that look like that with the little air filter on top. A lot of times I have mowers that come in and people have tried to attach the air filter here with the little screw and it won't screw in. And they've got it shimmed up with a bunch of washers or extra nuts, and they're trying to screw it down in there and get it to attach, and it's still loose, it's still flopping around, so that means it's not working properly. You're going to get dirt and stuff in there. So if you ever go in to replace this carburetor, take the time to look at this, and you'll notice there's 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 there, 2 there, and then the 6th one. Well, guess what the 6th one is for? It's for this screw that holds the air filter on. And over time, that little hole, because it hadn't been screwed in tight or somebody didn't do it right, just somebody's tilted the mower the wrong way, got a bunch of oil and gack in there. This is the one that gets dirty. And once it gets dirty and filled with junk, this screw will not seat. And by the way, it's part number for you folks is 6911417. That's this screw if you ever need to order one, okay? So these 5 screws that hold the carburetor on go around here. This one holds the air filter on, and you got to clean that out. And I want you to listen to this. See, these are clean. Listen. Hear that? Nothing. That's because it's full of dirt and gunk. So this screw is never going to seat properly. Your air filter will be flopping around. It's not going to seal. Okay, so what you got to do, I have these dandy little tools here. These are just crochet needles. And you go in here, do the best you can, and dig that out. Get all that gunk out of there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay. And get as much of that stuff as you can like that, and then you get your carb cleaner out, and you put that in the hole, and you won't believe all the stuff that comes out of there. And just keep cleaning until you hear it just like these. See? It's still full of stuff. So I'll be cleaning that out, and then I'll reattach everything, and this air filter will seat like it's supposed to. You're not going to have to put washers on it or anything. It'll be done right. Okay, so that's it for today.